Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is Shad Abdu with the weekly analysis from Point Trader Group. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. So as we can see here, that the pair is about to continue going upwards to reach our very strong resistance level that we mentioned last week, 1.1235. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence for an expected movement to the downside that it might target the level of 1.10. So this area 1.1050, conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 1.1235. On the other hand, if the level of 1.1235 is broken, this means the price might continue going upwards to reach at least 1.14. So let's move to the gold on the H4 or the 4 hours time frame. So there is a gap here, but actually the cycle of a gap could actually last from few minutes to 4 years. So this doesn't mean that we can trade it, but we are looking for a position where, or maybe a level where we can enter the market. So it's better to wait for the pair to reach the level of 1552, and this is where we can look for some bullish evidence for an expected movement to the upside. On the other hand, if this level is broken to the downside, then we can go short targeting the level of 1550, 1535. So let's move to the Canadian dollar, the American dollar against the Canadian dollar on the daily time frame as well. Well, we actually mentioned last week that this area was a very strong support area. Now this is the rollover, or what we call that when a support level is broken, it turns into a resistance level, and this is what's happening right now. So in this case, we can wait for the pair to reach this level again. In case it shows up bearish evidence, we can go short, targeting the level of 1.29 and 1.2850. Finally, with the euro against the Turkish lira on the daily time frame. So as you can see here, it is traded in a very tight range. So the resistance area, that is 6.6951, this area, and the support level, that is 6.6116. So what we can do is to wait either for a breakout, the pair breaks through this level, then it might continue going upwards to reach at least the level of 6.76. And on the other hand, if this support level, if the pair goes to this support level and shows a bullish evidence, we can go long targeting this resistance level again. In case it breaks through this level, then it might continue going upwards to reach at least 6.550, which is this area. So that's it for the week. Thank you for watching the video and have a wonderful week.